and welcome to week 7 of quantitative reasoning. This week in class, you'll be taking your Unit 2 assessment, and we'll be starting Unit 3. For your Unit 2 assessment, you have two options to choose from. We'll go over those in just a minute. For Unit 3 this week, you're going to be covering lessons 8A and 8B, and also completing your Unit 3 activity lesson quiz 8A, 8B. Please keep in mind you can take these quizzes as many times as you would like to achieve the grade you're looking for. For your assessment this week, you will have from October 12th to October 18th to complete your assessment. I'll also hold an optional review day, Thursday the 14th via Zoom, to go over the review game and any homework questions you have. For this unit, you can either complete a traditional exam or complete the Unit 2 test alternative, which is an additional project. Please note, once you open the exam, you are committing to taking that as your Unit 2 assessment. It is recommended that you first take a look through the project and then decide which of the two options you would like to complete. As with Unit 1, the assessments are not proctored or timed, and you are allowed to use your notes. Please make sure you're completing these assessments on your own. Let's take a quick look at the Unit 2 test information. This test is similar to Unit 1, except we'll be covering the Unit 2 material. It'll be in the same format, where you'll take your exam on D2L, and then you can upload your work for the possibility of partial credit. The other option is the Unit 2 test alternative. Please make sure to read through all the instructions and requirements. And all the way down at the bottom, we see a rubric here. This is going to go over how you'll be graded for this assessment. And here's also a printable version of the Unit 2 test alternative. Again, I recommend reading through all of this information first and then deciding which of the two assessments you would like to complete. I did provide a review game along with the answer key. Please do not forget to turn in your Unit 2 notebook check and your Unit 2 homework portfolio. If we scroll down a little bit, we also see again in the announcement below this that extra example. Please make sure to review this before you take your assessments. Quickly jumping back to the Unit 2 homework portfolio, please make sure you turn in 2 preview and 2 practice assignments. These are the assignments that are found under content, and you'll go under the particular lesson that you're looking for. We do provide you with the assignment along with the answer key, so you can check your answers as you go and contact me if you have any questions. If we look at week 7 on our timeline, we see in class we will be completing lesson 8A and 8B. You will then have your exit activity, and outside of class you will be responsible for completing your Unit 2 assessment. As always, I'm here to help and answer any questions you have, either in class or via email or student hours. Please reach out if you have any questions or need help preparing for your Unit 2 assessment. I hope you all have a great week.